Blockchain technology and its applications, beyond cryptocurrencies. Hello everyone, and welcome. When you hear the word blockchain, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For many, it's Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, or perhaps a complex, mysterious technology. But what if I told you that blockchain is far more than just digital money? It's a groundbreaking technology with the potential to revolutionize industries, enhance trust, and change the way we manage everything from supply chains to digital identities. Today, we're diving deep into blockchain technology and its applications, beyond the headlines and into the real-world impact. Let's demystify the blockchain together. 1. What is blockchain? The digital ledger of trust. First, let's break down the core concept. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant, shared spreadsheet, that isn't stored in one central place, but is distributed across a vast network of computers. Blocks and chains, picture data being grouped into blocks. Once a block is filled with transactions or information, it's sealed with a unique digital code and added to the chain of previous blocks. Immutability. Once a block is added, it cannot be changed or deleted. This makes the ledger incredibly secure and tamper-proof. Decentralization. There's no single owner. Every participant in the network has a copy of the entire ledger, and any new information must be verified by multiple participants. This builds trust without a middleman. Think of it as a transparent, unchangeable, and globally verifiable record of everything that's ever happened on that chain. 2. Application 1. Cryptocurrencies and digital finance, the beginning. This is where most people first encountered blockchain. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Imagine digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum operating without banks or central authorities. Blockchain enables secure, peer-to-peer transactions. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Picture a world where lending, borrowing, and trading can happen directly between individuals, powered by smart contracts on a blockchain, cutting out traditional financial institutions. This is unlocking new possibilities in finance. 3. Application 2. Supply chain management and transparency. Beyond finance, blockchain is revolutionizing how we track goods. From farm to table, imagine tracking every step of a product's journey, from where a coffee bean was grown, to how it was processed, transported, and finally arrived at your local cafe. Every stage is recorded on the blockchain. Authenticity and safety. Picture being able to verify the origin of luxury goods to prevent counterfeiting, or tracing contaminated food products instantly to their source, enhancing consumer safety and trust. 4. Application 3. Digital identity and data ownership. Blockchain offers new ways to manage our personal information securely. Self-sovereign identity. Imagine you owning and controlling your digital identity, deciding exactly what information you share and with whom, without relying on central databases. Secure records. Picture medical records, academic degrees, or property titles stored on a blockchain, making them tamper-proof and easily verifiable, while maintaining privacy. You could grant temporary access to a doctor or a potential employer with ease. 5. Application 4. NFTs and digital collectibles. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a rapidly growing application. Unique digital assets. Imagine owning a unique piece of digital art, a rare collectible in a video game, or even a digital concert ticket, all verifiable as truly unique on a blockchain. Creator economy. Picture artists, musicians, and creators selling their digital works directly to fans, earning royalties every time their work is resold, thanks to blockchain's immutable records. 6. Application 5. Voting systems and governance. Blockchain's transparency and security could even impact our democratic processes. Secure and transparent voting. Imagine voting systems where every vote is anonymously recorded on a blockchain, ensuring it cannot be altered, deleted, or duplicated, increasing trust in election results. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Picture organizations run by rules encoded on a blockchain, where decisions are made by collective vote of members, fostering truly transparent and democratic governance structures. 7. The future of trust and efficiency. Blockchain is still evolving, but its potential is immense. Beyond the hype, While there's a lot of talk, the underlying technology offers solutions to real-world problems by fostering trust, enhancing transparency, and improving efficiency in ways traditional systems cannot. A new digital infrastructure, think of it as a fundamental layer for a new internet, one built on verified transactions, shared truth, and decentralized control. Conclusion: blockchain technology is far more than just a buzzword or a fleeting trend. It's a foundational innovation that could redefine how we interact with data, manage assets, and build trust in a digital world. From securing our supply chains to empowering creators and revolutionizing finance, the applications of blockchain are vast and growing. Get ready, because this digital ledger of trust is just beginning to unfold its true potential. Outro: what application of blockchain excites you the most? Or what industry do you think it will transform next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into groundbreaking technologies. Thanks for watching.